Okay, so this is a Preferred Club OceanView room. You've got the closet, usual stuff with the safe. They do steam iron here. They don't do a proper iron, well, a regular iron as we would know it. This is a potential connecting room. This is room 732. We've got the bathroom with the rainfall sort of shower head, and they do have a little ledge there. And they put everything in these kits so that you know that it's been sanitized and stuff like that. So with Preferred Club, you do get slightly better amenities. I'll actually attach a picture of that at the end. And then of course you've got the toilet area, but there is a proper door, proper word of the day. You can hang up some stuff here, which is kind of cool. And then you've got a little table area there. That's the mini bar, the refreshment center. We've got a pull-out couch here, yes it is, as well as king bed. And I mean, I'll show you the balcony, but we'll actually catch the actual view in the morning. But 7th floor, great view of the resort below, and we'll see how the view of the ocean is in the morning.